In this video, I am going to show you how to structure and write your essay introduction in 4 easy steps for an A+. By the end of this video, you will have a detailed structure of a strong and engaging introduction that sets an interesting tone for your entire essay. In the end of this video, I will give you a bonus that will help you write the rest of your A+ essay. So make sure you stay till the end because that will be a game-changing step that you do not want to miss. My name is Lerato Kanomsa of All Things Academia, where we explain and explore all things in the academic world. If you are a student, a tutor, a lecturer, a researcher, or in any way part of academia, then you are in the right place. The first step is to grab your reader's attention by starting with a really interesting first sentence, also called the hook, to get your readers interested. For the hook, you should apply the 3 C's: clear, concise, catchy, instead of long and complicated sentences. Using our famous topic, the impact of social media on teenagers' mental health, for a hook, you can use an interesting fact. Recent studies reveal that the average teenager checks their social media accounts over 100 times a day, a habit that psychologists suggest could have profound implications on their mental health. A question: have you ever considered how the endless scrolling through social media feeds might be rewiring our brains, particularly those of teenagers, and what implication this might have for their emotional and physical well-being? Or a thought-provoking statement: in a world where a teenager's social status is often measured by the number of likes and followers on social media, we are witnessing a silent epidemic of mental health issues fueled by these very platforms that promises greater connectivity and engagement. Next, you want to give the background information by providing important background details to help your readers understand the essay's argument. This might mean talking about things that happened in the past, explaining important words, sharing different studies and ideas, or talking about different opinions on the topic. Take note of the color coordination as we are going to write our background because each one represents an element we have discussed. This is how we can write our background paragraph. The rapid rise of social media in the last 2 decades has significantly altered the social landscape of teenagers, a group traditionally navigating the complexities of adolescence through direct personal interactions. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok have not only redefined communication, but also introduced new challenges encapsulated in terms like social media anxieties. Research, including studies by American Psychologist Association, highlights a complex relationship between social media use and teenagers' mental health. While these platforms can foster self-expression and community, they also expose users to cyberbullying and unrealistic life standards, creating a debate around balance of digital benefits and psychological risks for young users. Now you need to present your thesis statement. This is the main idea of your essay. It sums up what you want to say. This statement is not just stating a fact, rather it is making a claim that needs proof and explanation. Because this is an important part of an essay, it needs to be discussed in depth. And luckily for you, I have made a video on how to write a thesis statement. I will link that video in the description below. In that video, we wrote a thesis statement for this topic, so I'm just going to head over there and copy and paste it here. So while I'm doing this, please like this video and subscribe for more content like this if you have not done so already. Okay, our thesis statement reads: the use of social media significantly impacts the mental health of teenagers, leading to increased rates of anxiety and depression. The next step is to map out your essay structure. This is the easiest part, where you just outline the structure of the essay, especially in longer essays, by briefly indicating what each section will cover. This will help to provide readers with a roadmap of the essay's direction. This part is only easy if you started with the most important parts of writing an A+ essay covered in this video. Also linked in the description below. This video shows you step by step how to plan out your essay, including decoding the essay instruction, writing out an essay outline, which is basically what you need for this step. How easy is that, right? So the essay structure could be something like: to explore this assertion, the essay will first assess the positive effects such as enhanced self-expression and community engagement. Following this, the focus will shift to the negative impacts, including social media anxieties, cyberbullying, and the impact of unrealistic standards on mental health. Finally, the essay will discuss strategies for balancing the benefits and risk of social media use, emphasizing how teenagers, with the support of parents and educators, can navigate this digital landscape more heavily. Now, lovelies, let's look at the masterpiece we have just created. Remember, color coordination is important to identify the different element of the introduction. Recent studies reveal that the average teenager checks their social media account over 10 times a day, a habit that psychologists suggest could have profound implications for their mental health. The rapid rise of social media in the last 2 decades has significantly altered the social landscape of teenagers, a group traditionally navigating the complexity of adolescence through direct personal interaction. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok have not only redefined communication but also reintroduced new challenges encapsulated in terms like social media anxiety. Research, including studies by American Psychologists Association, highlights a complex relationship between social media use and teenage mental health. While these platforms can foster self-expressions of community, they also expose users to cyberbullying and unrealistic standards, creating a debate around balance of digital benefits and psychological risk for younger users. This essay argues that the use of social media significantly impacts the mental health of teenagers, leading to increased rates of anxieties and depression, a concern that calls for urgent attention and action. To explore this assertion, the essay will first assess the positive effects such as enhanced self-expression and community engagement. Following this, the focus will shift to the negative impacts, including social media anxiety, cyberbullying, and the impact of unrealistic standards of mental health. Finally, the essay will discuss strategies for balancing the benefits and risk of social media use, emphasizing how teenagers, with the support of parents and educators, can navigate the digital landscape more healthily. Yes, lovelies, in less than 10 minutes, we have our A+ essay introduction. Please like this video as we move along to the bonus that I promised you at the beginning of this video, which is going to help you write your entire essay, because obviously you need the rest of the essay. So to write your entire essay, you need to take your outline, which is your breakdown plan, and develop it. This is simply putting flesh on the skeleton that is your outline. To do that on an A+ level, just click on the video that is appearing on your screen right now, because this is the video that is going to show you step by step how to put flesh on your outline skeleton. This video will tell you what to write in each paragraph, give you a guide on what needs to be at the beginning of each paragraph, in the middle of each paragraph, at the end of each paragraph, linking it to the next paragraph. Like seriously, this is basically giving you your whole essay. So just click on this video and I will meet you there in few seconds. I project to you love and grace in a way of 2 Corinthians 13, verse 14.